Story 3. I heard that a dervish, burning in the fire of poverty, and sewing patch upon patch, said to comfort his mind, "We are contented with dry bread and a patched robe, for it is easier to bear the load of one's own trouble than that of thanks to others." Someone said to him, "Why sittest thou? A certain man in this town possesses a benevolent nature, is liberal to all, has girded his loins to serve the pious, and is ready to comfort every heart. If he becomes aware of thy case, he will consider it an obligation to comfort the mind of a worthy person." He replied, "Hush, it is better to die of inanition than to plead for one's necessities before any man. It is better to patch clothes and sit in the corner of patience than to write petitions for robes to gentlemen. Verily, it is equal to the punishment of hell to go to paradise as a flunky to one's neighbor." And yeah, after you've done good to yourself, those around you, just don't jump to this big old worldly mission or something like that.